Hello, welcome. Tim Manning here. First of all, thank you for taking me up on my offer to watch this particular video. Now, I'm going to try to keep it short. Now, in case you end up leaving me before I finish, the link is in the description below on how you can access this free video series. So, just have at it. You don't have to complete it, but if you feel like you don't believe me, who am I? Who is this guy? Is he a scam? Just leave this particular video, because I will say this, and hopefully you take it for what it's worth. I know you're on YouTube looking for information on investing, but guess what? Belief is vital for you doing what you want to do. Okay. Now, it's not only belief internally, but in order for you to know something that you don't know, you're going to have to believe somebody, right? So, whether you choose to believe me, great, because I'm the type of person where I only like to tell the truth. And now I will make this disclaimer: I don't know everything, but I can say that what I've learned and what I do know has really treated me very well. So, but anyway, I would encourage you to believe what I say, and if you just want to know more about what the free video series is, take action. Click the link below. I'm pretty sure you won't be disappointed. Neither will you hear anything like this online, right? Because I don't think, I know that even though I consider myself a marketer, most will not reveal to you their silver bullet, right? And I'm revealing one of the silver bullets is, guess what? They are counting on you not believing, right? Not just internally, but believing what they say. So taking what they say with a grain of salt, but yet still buying their stuff. Why is that important? Because if you don't know anything about the laws of success, one of the laws is, Gary V. He's done a few interviews. I don't know if you know him or not, but he really talks about self-awareness, right? And self-awareness is essential for you to achieving goals that will put you in a place of peace, right? Now, I don't have $1 billion yet, but from what I've heard from a lot of millionaires, some of them are miserable and they have a lot of money, right? So the essential, and I want to give you the foundations of making sure you are not just financially free, but financially free where you can enjoy it, right? So that's what I want to offer you in this particular video series. The link is in the description, but I wanted to share something with you too. Was and I'm gonna try to place this image. I know I'm driving, but it's a screenshot of one of my TVs I took a couple of days ago, and it basically shows you what's the difference between how the rich make their money and the poor make their money. And it really goes into, not really detail, but it shows you a graph, a pie chart of uh, active income and passive income. Okay, now passive income, there are a lot of different ways that you can create passive income, but active income is, and I alluded to this in the previous video was that just because you have a business, okay, depending on what type of business that is. So let's take for instance, you're a doctor, you're a dentist, right? That even though you may have a dental practice, right, or you may have a clinic, that is still, even though that's a business, that is active income, meaning that you have to be there in order to generate revenue, even though it is, can be a lucrative business from what I've heard, right? But that is active, right? So that by investing, you can transition some of that revenue or profits to a passive side, right? But guess what? Not all businesses are profitable. So it really depends on, I'm not going to get into this in this video series, but it depends on the skills and a lot of other variables to determine whether you're able to escape the rat race, even if you've created a business, right? So hopefully you'll take me up on my offer and click this link below in the description on this free video series, and I hope you enjoy. Leave any questions or comments below. I make sure myself or one of my team members get the answer to your questions. Like, subscribe if you're on YouTube, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day.